Hi there, I'm Natt. Today we are going to create a self-adjustable button in Figma with the auto layout function. Now let's jump to it. First, some of you might create a button with a text and a rectangle, and then group them or create components, something like that. It's okay, but not that convenient. Follow me. Let's duplicate this text and then we create an auto layout. Even though we could not see the auto layout button on the right, we can still press Shift and A to create an auto layout. As you can see, auto layout added. Next, we can apply a color to this frame or auto layout frame by clicking here, give it orange. Now, visually they are similar, but actually they are not. We can, let's say, adjust this text. We delete the button, and this button shrink. And then if I duplicate this and let's say I'd like you to subscribe. As you can see, as I typing in the text, the size of this button expands. Also, we can apply corner radius to this frame. Let's say it's 15. Now we have the self-adjustable buttons in auto layout. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Okay, until next time, keep designing. Take care. Bye.